Hey there! Ever thought your circuit breakers are your ultimate safeguard against electric shocks? Well, today, I'm going to reveal a shocking truth. You see, circuit breakers are amazing at what they do, protecting your home from overloads and short circuits. But here's the kicker. They're not designed to protect you from electric shocks. Yep, you heard that right. When you accidentally touch a live wire, the current that passes through your body is often too low to trip the breaker. Crazy, huh? That's because circuit breakers are tuned to detect faults in the wiring, not the tiny current that can pass through a human body. So, what can actually protect you? Enter the RCD, or residual current device. This nifty gadget can detect small leaks of electricity and cut the power in milliseconds, protecting you from serious harm. Most modern homes have them installed, but if yours doesn't, it might be time to consider an upgrade. Think of it as the seatbelt for your electrical system. Now, don't get me wrong. Circuit breakers are crucial for preventing fires and electrical damage. But when it comes to your personal safety, an RCD is the real MVP. So next time you're thinking your circuit breakers have got your back, remember, they've got your house covered. For yourself, you need that extra layer of protection. Thanks for watching.